Yeah, hello amazing customers. We are working in Kumasi, EJISU, and I'm here today to give you updates. As you can see, so nice and beautiful. You see, I always saying that whatever a day, give us a call. You'll come to your location and do a very beautiful design for you. As you can see, here now it be some bush area. You see, there's no house around these places. You see, there's no house around all of the here. There's no even light here, you understand me, but you are here doing a very beautiful design for this customer, like how we should do it for my customers also in Accra. So whatever they give us a call, our service is available across the country. You see, as you are watching me right now, you maybe ask yourself, say, why this design? The reason is, say, we are going to put some red stones also for the beam. You see, this beam. And I tell the customer, so okay, if it that be the so now, at least on the face wall and the beam, they have to get something in common. You see, because we are also going to put the stones, for the top here and the down pot inside. You see, so that way the top going to be gray color, the down going to be gray color, and the beam going to be a red color. You see, so that there will be something common between these pillars and the beam. You see, so that way you are trying to put the red stones, at the top a little bit so that it click. You see, but the thing we not complete yet now. Just look at the stones. Just look at how the stones looking so nice and beautiful. As you can see, you see. And I always saying that if in case a mason build your pillars for you and your pillar is not straight and you're not happy with that pillar now, you can straighten with a natural stones. It is 100% possible, you see. Or if you build your house in Ghana here and your house is not straight for you now, you can also do with a natural stones. Once it's down, you are not going to see that mistake anymore, you see. And if you have a vision to lay a natural stones on your building, please don't plaster, you see. And what I'm seeing right now, maybe you'll be doubting, you see. So that be why you get a rope here. Oh, I say, you get a rope here. So, bro, what level now? Where's your level?
This is my level.
Where's your level?
This is my level, master.
Where's your arsenal? Where's your weapons?
My weapon,
Okay, that's right. That's right. That's right. You see, you see on our weapons. See the rope. Pepe. Oh, chassis. Pepe. You see. Yeah, you see. So when you take a look, you see, just look at the straightness. You see. Look at the straightness. You see. You see the straightness. Pepe. You see. Just look at the straightness. Nice one. You see. Just look at the straightness. You see. That be why you need stepping stone design to come to your location and do a very neat work for you, like how it is here. So whatever a day, give us a call. Our service is available across the country.